Camping is a glorious adventure, an escape into nature's embrace. But for some, the idea of sleeping on hard ground and roughing it in the wild may not sound all that appealing. Fear not, for the world of camping gadgets has come to the rescue. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Roto Q360 Rotating Rotisserie. Enjoy mouth-watering grilled chicken while camping. No need for gas or electricity. Meet the Roto Q360 Rotating Rotisserie, a portable 5.5-pound device that fits in any backpack. Just set it up, turn it on, and let it work. It's compact and easily attaches to gas or charcoal grills, fire pits, and more. Savor the taste of rotisserie-style chicken, beef, ribs, and more at your campsite. BLACKCANⅡ Pro. This innovative invention not only functions as a comfortable outdoor mattress, but also serves as a power station, supplying electricity to illuminate your campsite and charge your devices. It features a potent heating system capable of warming the mattress's water to over 86 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a cozy and comfortable 12-hour warmth in extreme conditions. The BLACKCANⅡ Pro doesn't rely on batteries or solar panels, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts who crave comfort and convenience while exploring the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or simply enjoying a day in nature, this portable outdoor mattress and power station has you covered. Outisan e-Wagon. This innovative wagon is designed to enhance your camping experience, and its electric power assist feature eliminates the struggle of transporting your camping essentials. With all-terrain wheels and hill descent control, the e-Wagon effortlessly maneuvers through even the most challenging terrains, making your camping experience a breeze. What's truly remarkable is the portable detachable battery that powers the e-Wagon, providing up to 7 miles of use after just a 3-hour home charge. With the e-Wagon, you can enjoy your camping adventure without worrying about battery depletion. Additionally, the front and back LED lights ensure a safe and hassle-free journey, guiding you through the darkness to your destination. Eureka. This compact and powerful camping stove is ideal for small camping groups. It's available in green and offers precise cooking control. Featuring a pair of 10,000 BTU burners, each with 2-churn simmer controls, this stove allows for precise flame adjustments, ranging from a gentle simmer to maximum flame output. With up to 90 minutes of burn time per canister, this stove is efficient. It also boasts a push-button igniter for quick and easy starts, and it can accommodate 2 10-inch pans for campsite cooking. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the stainless steel drip tray, which is rust-resistant. Designed for durability, this portable stove is constructed with rugged, thin-gauge steel built to withstand years of use in the great outdoors. HENGDUAN. Introducing the HENGDUAN, a mosquito repeller specifically designed for camping and outdoor adventures. Its standout feature is the ability to insert mosquito repellent pads on both sides of the device, offering the flexibility of using single-sided or double-sided mosquito repellent depending on your needs. This device operates on the principle of heating repellent pads containing alethrin, an insecticide. When these pads are heated, they release alethrin, effectively repelling mosquitoes. In summary, the HENGDUAN mosquito repeller is a convenient and efficient tool for enhancing your camping and outdoor experiences by keeping pesky mosquitoes at bay. SOG Sync II. This versatile multi-tool is designed for convenience and portability, making it perfect for camping and outdoor activities. It boasts 12 different tools, including pliers, scissors, screwdrivers, wire cutters, and a bottle opener, all constructed from durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. What sets the Sync II apart is its detachable base, which also functions as a belt buckle. allowing you to carry it with ease wherever you go. It can be clipped onto a pack strap or boot for added convenience and is designed for effortless one-hand detachment, yet remains securely locked to the base even during active movement. When not in use, the Sync II can accommodate belts ranging from 1 to 3 by 4 inches wide, ensuring versatility and comfort for users of all types. Govee Hydrometer. This versatile device simplifies temperature and humidity monitoring whether you're camping or at home. This gadget offers smart app control, enabling you to track real-time temperature and humidity data through the app with a range of 262 feet. You can conveniently access this information from anywhere within your home. The Govee Hydrometer is equipped with a Swiss-made sensor, ensuring highly accurate temperature readings to within 0.54 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity readings to within 3% RH. It provides precise data every 2 seconds. In addition to real-time monitoring, the Govee Hydrometer boasts 20-day onboard data storage, allowing you to access recent temperature and humidity records through a graphical display. This makes it a valuable tool for staying informed and comfortable in various environments. Nemo Heliopolis. Elevate camping comfort with the Nemo Heliopolis tent. It's a portable shower and privacy shelter designed for outdoor adventures. Pair it with the Helio showers for a high-pressure shower experience anywhere. The tent includes handy features like towel storage, a door lock, teepee dispenser, and a durable floor with drainage, making camping more comfortable and convenient. BioLite Fire Pit. Elevate your camping experience with the BioLite Fire Pit Plus, a game-changing outdoor gear. It reimagines the traditional campfire by eliminating smoke, providing a comfortable atmosphere. This innovative product burns wood and charcoal efficiently using air jets powered by a rechargeable battery, lasting up to 30 hours on one charge. With an updated 12,800 mAh battery, it offers extended convenience, keeping the fire going for hours. The mesh body offers a panoramic view of the fire, allowing you to enjoy every aspect of the flames and embers. Enjoy the warmth and ambience of a campfire without the hassle of smoke. GoSun Camp 365. This camping gadget is an exceptional camping trailer that offers unparalleled comfort. It's lightweight, easy to tow, and comes fully equipped with essential solar-powered appliances for a cozy camping experience. You can cook, refrigerate, shower, control the climate, and sleep comfortably at remote locations for campsites. Setting it up takes under 10 minutes for one person, leaving you more time to enjoy nature. It's spacious enough for the whole family, and the inflatable beds can be customized for different sleeping arrangements. Enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort with the GoSun Camp 365. Camping need not be a test of endurance and discomfort. With the best camping gadgets by your side, you can enjoy the beauty of the great outdoors without sacrificing your creature comforts. From cozy sleeping arrangements to gourmet cooking solutions, these gadgets are designed to elevate your camping experience and make it truly enjoyable. So the next time you plan a camping adventure, don't forget to pack these essential gadgets. Embrace the serenity of nature while indulging in the convenience of modern technology. With these camping gadgets in tow, you'll not only survive in the wilderness, but you'll thrive, making memories that are as comfortable as they are unforgettable. Happy camping! That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.